Well, good question, Rod. Right now, researchers are working to pinpoint exactly when we will experience the most of these coronavirus cases in Virginia, when we will require the most ICU beds for COVID-19 patients, but not all models are on the same page.
Science.
This week, a model from the University of Washington estimated the peak of coronavirus cases to hit Virginia's hospitals earlier than expected, sometime around April 20th.
There are various models. They change literally every day depending on the data that is put into them.
Last week, the same model predicted the worst of COVID-19 to peak here about 1 month later. Governor Ralph Northam addressed this during his Monday press conference.
We haven't made any adjustments by what we're seeing. We will certainly continue to follow the trends.
So why did that model change? Researchers cite better data from the impacts of social distancing in Europe.
All models are wrong, but some are useful.
Peter Aiken, a professor of information systems at VCU, says models are forecasts or best guesses.
We're looking at what happened about 2 weeks ago. It takes that long to process the information for us to understand it.
We've seen some interesting shifts in the projections.
Monday, the Richmond Henrico Health Director, Dr. Danny Avula, said they look at more than just one model.
I'm cautious about the significant shift that we saw in the last 24 hours in some of those models. I think they were really a result of a dip in cases and death reporting in New York.
Despite the changes, Northam says his order remains the same.
The message from Washington is to continue what we're doing, to continue the guidelines, the social distancing, the frequent hand washing, because that's what science tells us works.
Later this week, Northam is expected to reveal a new model developed by UVA that will be specific just for Virginia. If you stay with us, later at 6 o'clock, Dr. Avula will explain why he continues to keep a watchful eye on China and how that may reveal our future. Working for you in Richmond, I'm Brendan King, CBS 6 News.